to show you how to play Margaritaville by Jimmy Buffett. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Well, let's start out with the left hand. You've only got three real chords that you've got. You've got a D, a G, and an A. And in the intro, you have all of those. Sometimes I vary the rhythm. So in the intro, what you start off with in the right hand, you've got F sharp and A, down to E and G, back to the F sharp and A. Then we do the same thing, only we put a G behind it in the bass. And then we go to an A7. So you've actually got an A9 in there. See, we've got that G and B in there. G and B, so you go F sharp and A, E, G, F sharp and A twice. Then we go to a G and a B and walk it down to the D. So it's all thirds. G and B, F sharp and A, E and G, D and F sharp. And then up to tempo. Then I hit D, on the third one we come in with the melody. So let's get the melody. You've got A, A, G, A, G, F sharp, A, B, A, G, F sharp, G, A. And then I fill with right there. So it's just D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, C sharp. And then we go on with the melody, G, 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 F sharp, G. Again, G, 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 F sharp, G. And then to A, B, A, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, D. And then we're into the chorus. Now in the chorus, he sets it off with a D7 all the time. It's kind of on a D7 on a steel drum sound, but... And then the chorus is G and B, G and B to E and A, then finish it out with G, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, D, D. So it's do it again, G, 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 G and B, four of them, then E and A, two, and B, A, F sharp. So we'll have we do it again. And then D7. Then we have three G and B's together. So you have some people say that there's a woman involved. So you've got that G and B, A and C sharp, A, B, C sharp, D, A, F sharp, G. When you're playing that, you're playing D, C sharp, B in the left hand. And then we have G, G, A, G, G, A, ba, 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 ba. We're back to the G and B. Then we end it with G, G, F sharp, D, D. And we finish out with the F sharp and A. Down to the D and the F sharp. And let me go through the whole thing that far slowly, and then we'll get into the second verse. second verse. Now you can see that if you slow it down, it makes it a little easier to play, and it sounds just really good going slowly. So you can take down the tempo just a notch below what he does. Second verse. This time I don't try to fill that because he's talking about that tattoo, and it's a it's a real beauty, a Mexican cutie, so he's got some words in there that you want the words to focus. Now right there you're going to go harmony, E and G, D and F sharp, E and G, again. The chorus. Changes the words just a little bit right there, so it's G, 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 F sharp, D, D. And then he's got an instrumental interlude that he goes right into it. So what I'll do is I'll take the melody up an octave. That end's coming down to an E. Then he walks up the bass with G, D, A, E, D, C sharp, B, and we then kind of hold it there. And in the right hand, you're going to. So you're going to go, I'm going to slow it down so you can see it. G, D, G, B, G, B, D, C sharp, A, E, A, C sharp, F sharp, A, F sharp, B, A, F sharp, E, D. And it goes right with the bass. Hold that and then. The third verse. So that instrumental interlude just the third verse. So you go right out of that instrumental interlude and into the third verse. Now that time I put that fill in there again. Nothing new on the chorus here. E and F sharp, and then the tag, for the tag, you just repeat that. Some people say there's a woman involved. You may want to slow it down just a tad on this tag. He comes in right on top of it. So you come in with that D and you hit the F sharp and the A together, and then it's just like the opening intro. And just play a D, A, D at the end of it. So then the tag together is. There you have it, Margaritaville by Jimmy Buffett. Hope you enjoy playing it.